so empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Hey guys, how are you? I bet you can't believe this look of mine. I feel like 10 years younger. The hair patch is just amazing. My brother Manish provides the best quality patches. Actually, before reaching out to him, I tested his hair patch. I took one hair patch. I used it for like 8 months. That patch was amazing. It's still really good. And I'm going an overseas country. I'm going to USA. So after testing one patch, I took 2 more patches from this guy because I know this guy is original, authentic, and always provides the original pieces. So I am really satisfied. So all you guys, I've done all the testing. You don't need to do any testing. Just reach out to this guy. This guy is very reasonable, and the most important thing is very authentic. And you need to be authentic when you try to get your hair. So I wish you all the best. And guys, believe me, having a big bald hair is not a big problem. If you have a brother like Manish, you can sort it out. So just don't be scared. Just talk to him. He's just like a brother. He'll sort you out. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
No worries, man.